Hi, my name is Nick Willis, founder and CEO of ECKey. Here we're going to demonstrate an ECKey EK6 working with a Paxton's access control system. We're going to do this with a clock and data output coming out of the EK6 unit. So I'll just move the camera down so we can see what we've got here. So here we've got the Paxton's ACU unit, which is connected through to the ECKey unit and also connected through to a Paxton's reader, which is inside this gang box here. We have already registered a card. This card is registered with the Paxton's unit, and so when I swipe the card, the light will flash green to unlock. Here we go, we can see it flashing green, showing that this card is registered on the Paxton's unit. Now what we want to do is associate this card number with this phone. So how do we get it that when we come up to it with a Bluetooth phone, this card number is the card that ends up going through for authorization? Well, to do that, we register the phone with the ECKey unit and the card. To do this, we bring the phone up to the ECKey unit and it's asking for a PIN. Type in the default PIN 1234, and before we press enter, we swipe the card. Press enter on the phone, and that's then associated this phone with this card number. So we're now, when the phone is next to the reader, you can see it flashes green, showing that it's got authorization to be able to get in. If we take the phone away, it stops flashing, and then you have a choice. You can either come up to it with the card, and that will be sent through for authorization, or you can come up to it with the phone, and then that gets the WGAN number of the phone, clock and data number of the phone gets sent through for authorization. Here we've got it set on very short range, so you have to bring the phone right up next to the unit in order for it to read. But we can also set the range out at 30 feet, so then it picks up the phone inside the car. Other configuration options are available, but here's how you can set the phone to be associated with a card. This enrollment process you undertake at the reader, and is something that the end user does themselves.